Guten Tag, everyone, and welcome to the IronCross Racing channel.
Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Turn around. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Turn around. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down.
Good talk, everyone. It's your boy Bly here at IronCross Racing. Coming to you through the Christmas break. Today's Friday, and heading out to meet the Dig Life. Diggity, diggity, diggity.
Giggity, giggity, giggity.
And we're going to go out and ride out towards the Twisted Sisters. We're not actually going to go riding on the Twisted Sisters, but we're going to go head up that area just west of San Antonio, northwest actually, San Antonio. We're going to go out and check out some familiar roads and also some not so familiar roads. And just enjoy the pseudo nice weather we're having. Totally clear, blue skies today, no, not a cloud in the sky. Now yesterday I took the fam, the IronCross Racing fam, up to Fredericksburg just to do some family shopping and hanging out, sightseeing, etc., etc., etc.
Etc.
And when we were eating lunch, we ate lunch at this nice little cafe. Had a lot of German food. Fredericksburg is kind of a little German town, so they have a lot of German-inspired offerings of the edible kind. So anyways, as we're sitting there on the patio, since it was an even nicer day yesterday, we're kind of just sitting there people watching, which is always fun to do. So as I was watching people walk up and down the sidewalk, I was noticing something that was really starting to irk me, and it seemed more and more of these individuals were doing this particular fashion faux pas. So I've seen this happen more and more. Even people at my work on Casual Fridays are doing this. And I think it's the ugliest, non-cool, dorkiest thing you could possibly do. So what they're doing is I was watching these people walking, I was looking at their feet, right? I'm watching, you know, what kind of footwear they're wearing.
Shoes. 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 Oh my god, shoes.
Now, more times than not, you know, they'd be dressed pseudo, you know, mainstream clothing up top, but they're wearing these brightly colored sneakers. Now, I know these, you know, brightly colored sneakers are kind of the thing, and I can understand that if you go to the gym. But if you're going to go hang out with the family, walk around, be out in public, wearing casual attire up top, I mean, these people were, I mean, they're wearing like jeans and sneakers, which always bugged the shit out of me in the military as well. The only time I think it's appropriate to wear brightly colored gym sneakers, I mean, I can understand maybe if it was like blacked out sneakers that you can't really tell that they're sneakers. The only time to really wear multicolored fluorescent sneakers is if you go to the gym. And I might let you slide if you're on vacation and you're doing a boatload of walk-in. I can understand that because I've actually done that myself. Then again, I didn't have brightly colored sneakers. Mine are actually cool because they're black and very, very, very dark gray. Anyways, no, yeah, so I was just watching more and more of these people do this, and I'm just like, what are you guys doing? It's like, it's not cool. Don't do it. Don't you do it. If you're wearing sneakers that look like this, or this, or anything that looks like this, don't. If you're gonna be going out in public, hanging with the family, stick to the Vans, the DCs, Converse, maybe some Adidas, not the sports kind. Doc Martens would work, sometimes some work boots.
Again, I want to thank you for watching. This is Bly with IronCross Racing. If you like this video, go ahead and press that like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and press that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell notification as I release a new video at least once a week. You guys all take care, and I'll see you in the new year. Peace.
Oh, Miss Lucy, dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan. Bring Sally up, and bring Sally down, last time. me, yeah.